All right. So this is what dictionaries, this is what list is. All right, and this is what dictionaries. All right. Let a dictionary was what? Dictionary was a key value pair. And what is set? Set is a sequential elements stored in a curly brackets. And dictionary is also a set of elements, items stored in curly brackets. But if I leave curly brackets as empty, it results in a dictionary, not a set. But if I write something over here in sequential manner, it gives me a set. So the question is, how do we initialize a set? How do we initialize a set? So let us have a look at it. So we initialize a set using this set and parenthesis, empty parenthesis, and set will be called as an empty set. If we print A, it will give me what? It will give me an empty set. So set can be initialized in this manner. If we initialize it like this, it will be initializing a dictionary. All right, empty dictionary. So we initialize set like this. All right. Any doubts till now?
No.
What about
No
you,
from my
Isha?
side.
Okay, sorry. All right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. So this will be what? This will be a set. All right. So this will be what? This will be a set. So the moment we include this, it will become what? It will become a dictionary. All right. So this is what it is. You understood the difference between set and dictionary?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. All right. So this is what it is. All right. So moving ahead further. Moving ahead further. All right. Very known property, famous property of set. All right. Let us move ahead further. 5, 2, 7, 4, all right. So in list we used to do what? 5, 2, 7, 4. We print it, it will get printed as it is. But instead, if we print it, it will automatically print it in a sorted manner.
Okay, I got it. So in dictionary we have key value pair. Since there is no key value concept here, within curly braces, whatever we provide, it will be auto sorted and it will be by default considered as a set in Python.
Correct. Now, if we use print statement A, even then also 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, both same. All right. So it will be what? It will be automatically sorted. It will be what? It will be automatically sorted. So this is what set is all about. All right, got my point? Getting my point?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. So this is what it is. So set 1, 2, 4, 5 and automatically. All right. Let us see how to add element. But before we move on towards adding of elements, let me take H. Now, hello. Let me print. Now another difference. All right. See, even in alphabets, it got what? It got automatically sorted alphabetically. E, then H, then L, then O. In set, another property, very famous property of set, the elements do not get repeated, be it alphabets or be it numbers. All right. See, I have done what I have done multiple 5, multiple 1s, multiple 4, multiple 2s. See, still it is printing in sorted manner and still it is not repeating. If I W, W, W and E17, see, W has been added, but that E, because W is a new word, but W has been added once only. E is what? E has also has been added, but E is what? E is only added. So,
It does not allows duplicate values, right?
correct. It does not allow duplicate value. Correct. Understood, Ravi?
Yeah.
All right. So this is what it is. The elements getting repeated, still it will print only once. That means it does not allow duplicate value. So two properties of set. It allows duplicate values. It allows duplicate value, but duplicate values, but does not print and does not print it. All right. So these are the two properties of set. Any doubts?
No.
Any doubts?
No, I'm good.
All right. Moving ahead further. So now talking about adding of value in set. And let me create. All right. Now a dot update. All right. A dot update. Let's say I want to add -1. So it will again sorted manner. If I add a dot update, a dot update. If I add, let's say 100, at 100, sorted manner. Let's add 3. Let's say we add 6. So this is what
So,
it.
so based on the value we provided in the update function, it will check at which place does it fit in the set, and then it will automatically update the index. Is that
It
right?
will update it in a sorted manner.
Okay.
It will
Okay.
follow the property of set. It will
Okay.
update
Okay.
and property of set will be followed and will sort. It is added, but when you print it, it will be in a sorted manner. As you can see,
Okay.
-1. Then we added 100. Then we added something in between. Then we added another number in between. It adds only single value. Update function adds only single value. Add only single value. All right. Any doubts?
No, I'm good.
No, not from my side.
Okay, great. All right, next, let us say adding multiple values in a set. All right, adding multiple values in a set. So how will we do that? So let us have a look at multiple values in a set. All right, so we do that with the help of dot
Utkarsh, your
add.
voice is coming very slow.
Hello, am I audible? Hello.
Yeah, you are audible, but it's very low voice.
Yeah, for me too.
Is it audible now?
Yeah, it's better now.
All right. So a dot add. So now we are doing what? Now we are adding multiple elements, multiple values set. All right. Say -2, -100, 88, 99, 8. Yes, I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry. So add single value only, update adds multiple values. All right, add single value. Just a second. Adds a single value.